Hey guys, what's up? My name is Zach Moore. I'm from Gloucester, Virginia. My family, I'm the middle son of three. My older brother Josh and my younger brother Mitchell. I have two loving parents, my dad Jack and my mom Cheryl. My dad charters fishing boats and runs commercial bluefin trips. So fishing's a big part of our family. And my mom's an accountant with a local credit union, Bayport. Um, Currently, I am pursuing a social science degree with teacher licensure at Liberty residentially slash online. Um, Currently, I am working as a machinist at a place called Proton Systems. I make proton therapy parts, which is a form of cancer treatment. It involves lathe work, CNC machine, band saws, pretty much any heavy duty machinery that you can imagine is in that shop. Forklift operator, all that good jazz. I make the appengers and compensators for the actual therapy usage. Plans after graduation, I really hope to land a job back home on the Middle Peninsula of Virginia. I would love to be teaching U.S. history. However, my degree will be good for anything from geography to government to world history. So I'm pretty broad on that aspect. And I guess if I have to stretch out, I could do math or lifting. That's about all I can think of on that. I hope to learn from this course. I really would like to control my nerves, and I hope this course can help me through that. Something that I've seen reoccur is I get nervous before large presentations, whether it be my senior capstone seminar I did last semester or just various presentations I've given over my 4 years here at Liberty. So one exciting moment in my life was Nationals 2018. So a little bit about me, hobby-wise, is I like to hunt, love hunting, love fishing. Again, fishing's a huge part of my life. Golf, huge, love golf. My cousin used to be a pro. My uncles have played all their lives, granddad, everything. But paintball has been kind of the sport I've chosen since high school. So I came up to Liberty to play, and after 2 years of just absolute grinding, we got third every year. My junior year, we finally won in 2018, and that was just a really humbling experience just to make like all that actually paid off. Like, I mean, 2 days a week practices, Sundays from noon to 6, just an obscene amount of money thrown into the sport and just dedication and hard work. And that's the one thing I learned is with those two things, anything is possible. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great day.